Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome. Where are you watching from? 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 Hello? Hello? Okay. Welcome guys to my live class. Today we are going to learn integration extensively. Okay? We'll master how to integrate a function with ease. Okay? Understand the bottom line with ease. Master it how to integrate with ease the relative shortcuts that are involved in integrating a function. Okay, so it is very, very easy to know and to do. Okay, so let's say we have a function. Let's say we are told to integrate a function. We are given integration, that's the main thing. Remember, in integration, we have a general form. Now, whenever we are told in integration, we have what we call the elongated s. Okay? Elongated s. So that's the sign of integration. Okay? That's the sign of integration. In the elongated x, it tells us, uh, it helps us to know. Then, if you are told to integrate like x to the power of n with respect to x, in integration, what does it mean? You are going to increase the power of the variable by 1 and divide by the new power. So this will now be increasing the power x by 1, dividing by the new power plus 1. Then don't forget the constant of what? Integration. So this is the easiest way and the method, approved method for you to integrate a function. Okay? That's very easy method of integrating a function. Let's say, for instance, you are told to integrate function like 3x squared with respect to x. For you to integrate this function, it is very, very easy. All you want to do, have to do for the function is to increase the power by 1, divide it by the new power, and put your constant of integration. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from. Okay? So what do I have to do? I have to have 3x, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power 2 plus 1, then plus the constant of integration. Okay? So what do we have? 2 plus 1 is what? What is 2 plus 1? Let us know the answer in the comments. What is 2 plus 1? What is 2 plus 1? Please, let's be following. 2 plus 1 is 3, right? That is 3x cubed over 3 plus c. But remember, 3 and 3 can divide itself. 3 and 3 can divide itself. Okay? 3 and 3 can divide itself. So when 3 divides 3, what do you have? Let's be commenting in the comments, okay? 3 divide 3, what do we have? 3 divide 3 is 1. So you have it, the answer to be what? X cubed plus c. So this is how to integrate a function. So let's continue again. Let's say we are told to integrate function like 6x power 5 minus 2x squared with respect to x. Okay? If you look at this, we are trying, thank you for the comments. We are trying to, let's be commenting, okay? We are trying to integrate a function like this. And the function in question is difference. So for you to integrate a function like this, you have to integrate individual terms. So this is 6x power 5, integrate it with respect to x, then minus the integral of 2x squared with respect to x. So let's integrate it individually as usual. So what do we have? We have 6x power 5 increase the power by 1, then divide by the new power, 5 plus 1. Then the minus 2x, increase the power by 1, okay? Then divided by 2 plus 1. That's the new power. Plus the constant of what? Integration. Plus the constant of integration. Okay, you want me to do limit. Okay, stay tuned. We are going to look at it. Okay, plus the constant of integration. What is 5 plus 1? What is 5 plus 1? Please write it in the comments. 5 plus 1 is what? Let's be engaging, okay? 5 plus 1 is what? 5 plus 1 is 6. So we have 6x power 6 over 6 minus 2x cubed over 3 plus c. Okay? So 6 divided by 6 is what? What is 6 divided by 6? What is 6 divided by 6? 6 divided by 6 is 1. You have x power 6 minus 2x power 3 over 3 plus c. Okay? So you can see that we've actually integrated the function. Thank you for saying 1. So let's move on. Okay? Let's move on. Let's look at, we are told to integrate 7x power minus 4 with respect to x. Okay? Here we are trying to integrate a function like this. Okay? Thank you for the nice. Thank you. I really appreciate. So let's try to, please like the live, also subscribe to my channel. Let's try to integrate 7x power minus 4. Here it looks a bit tricky, but we are going to get it very simple. What does it take to integrate a function? Remember, we have 7x power minus 4. We increase the power by 1 and divide by the what? New power. The new power is minus 4 plus 1 plus the constant of integration. Then again, thank you, said give tougher integration, sir. Okay, I'm just starting. You'll see that very soon. Then again, I want you to tell me in the comments, minus 4 plus 1 is what? What is minus 4 plus 1? Let's continue. What is minus 4 plus 1? What is minus 4 plus 1? Let's write in the comments. Minus 3. Excellent. So you have it at 7x power minus 3 divided by minus 3. Then plus c. Then to write it properly, you can just say 7x power minus 3 over what? 3. You put your minus here because it is affecting everything. So this is the particular what? Answer. Tell us where you're watching from and if you're enjoying the live class. Tell us where you're watching from. Okay. That's good. That's good. Let's look at another one. Let's look at a tricky one. Let's look at integrate x squared plus 5x plus 6 divided by x plus 3. We are trying to integrate all this with respect to x. At first, it will seem what? It seems what? Scary or something that is hard. I'm watching from India. I love it. Okay. Okay, send the toughest question in the comments. Let's see what we can do. So look at this. This is an integral. We are integrating a quadratic at the numerator while we have a linear term at the denominator. So the first thing we have to do to solve this is to simplify the term. So what do? I look at the factors. I have to factor the numerator at first. Okay? So x squared, the leading coefficient here is 1, right? So that means 1 multiplies to get x squared. You can see that 1 multiplies to get x squared is what? X, right? Is x. X times x. So I want you to tell me the two numbers that multiplies to get 6 in the comments, but adds up to get 5. Tell me in the comments, what are the two numbers that multiplies to get 6, but adds up to get what? But adds up to get 6, to get 5. Let's know in the comments if you're following. Let's know in the comments if you're following. Okay, 2 and 3, you're right. So this is what? Plus 2 and plus what? 3. Okay? Then what do you observe? the plus x plus 3 and x plus 3 will cancel each other, right? So if they do like that, what do you have? You have the integral of x plus 2 with respect to x. Okay? So to integrate this, it is very, very what? Easy, right? So what do? You just have to integrate x with respect to x and integrate 2 with respect to what? X. So integrating x to respect to x, what do? We just have to do what? Add 1 to the power, divide by the new power, then integrating 2, it just include the variable plus c. So what is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1? What is 1 plus 1? Let's know in the comments. Let's know who and who that is following. What is 1 plus 1? So 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have it as x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c. And this is very, very simple. Do you understand the method? Do you understand the method? If you do, let us know in the comments. If you do, let us know in the comments. Do you understand the method? If you do, let us know in the comments. Let's integrate another one, okay? Let's integrate another problem. It is very, very easy, okay? Integrating this is as easy as ABC. Let's try to integrate a function like x squared plus 7x plus 10 divided by x plus 5, x plus 2 with respect to x. Okay? To integrate this, it is very, very easy.